Welcome, hustlers. Imagine this. It's 2025. The world's evolving faster than ever. AI is rewriting the rules, the metaverse is the new marketplace, and sustainability isn't just a trend. It's a trillion-dollar industry. But here's the kicker. The side hustle's making people rich. Today didn't even exist 5 years ago, so what's next? Buckle up, because I'm about to drop the 10 future-proof side hustles that'll dominate 2025. Stick around. Number 1 will blow your mind. Let's dive in. 10. AI-powered freelancing. At number 10, we've got AI-powered freelancing. Forget grinding on Upwork for pennies. The future is collaborating with AI to 10x your output. Think, writing novels in a day, generating ad campaigns in minutes, or coding entire websites overnight. But here's the secret. AI is the tool. You are the strategist. Meet Sarah, a former copywriter. She used ChatGPT to automate 80% of her client work, slashing her hours while tripling her income. Now, she charges $500 per hour as an AI whisperer, teaching businesses to craft killer prompts. Top AI consultants are billing $1,000 per hour to optimize Fortune 500 companies. Ready to ride the AI wave? Let's level up to number 9. Number 9. Virtual reality fitness coaching. Peloton? Old news. 9 is virtual reality fitness coaching. With Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest 3, people are paying $500 a month for immersive workouts. Think boxing with a pro trainer in Tokyo or yoga on a virtual Bali beach. You don't need a gym, just a headset and a signature program. Jake, a broke personal trainer, started hosting VR spin classes. Now he's earning $15,000 a month training CEOs from his couch. Still think the metaverse is a fad? Number 8 will blow your mind. Number 8. Digital landlord. Metaverse real estate. Hey, digital landlord. Sounds crazy? Tell that to the investor who flipped a virtual Decentraland penthouse for $2.4 million. Brands like Nike and Gucci are scrambling for virtual billboards, and you can profit by renting or flipping land in platforms like Sandbox or Roblox. Up next, number 6. The side hustle of automating customer service worldwide. 7. AI chatbot builder. Charge $100K per year. 5. AI YouTube channels. Faceless channels rake in $200 per hour. Halfway there, but the top 3 are where fortunes are made. Number 3. AI-generated fashion design. Number 3. AI-generated fashion. Digital outfits for avatars are selling for $13,000 each. Use Midjourney to design virtual sneakers or metaverse gowns. Emma, a college dropout, sold 500 NFT dresses in 3 months. Her secret? Letting AI handle the patterns. Speaking of gold rushes, a number 2 is literally saving the planet. Number 2, climate tech consulting. Number 2, climate tech. The green revolution isn't coming, it's here. Startups need experts to track carbon footprints, sell solar solutions, or consult on ESG strategies. The green tech market will hit $74 billion by 2030. And now, the number 1 side hustle of 2025. Trust me, you've never heard anything like this. Number 1. AI-powered finance automation. 1. AI finance automation. People are terrified of inflation, recession, and debt. Enter you, the guru who configures AI tools to automate investing, slash bills, and optimize taxes. Real talk. FinAI consultants are pulling $200,000 per year, helping clients grow wealth while they sleep. Imagine getting paid to set up AI that negotiates Comcast bills or triples a client's 401k. This isn't finance, it's financial witchcraft. Boom! There you have it. 10 hustles that'll future-proof your income. But here's the truth. 2025 isn't waiting. These opportunities are exploding now. If you're ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind, smash that subscribe button. We're dropping deep dives on each hustle all month. You won't want to miss it. Your future self is begging you to take action. Start today. See you at the top.